Okay, so hello and welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code is a text editor which I will be using throughout the course, and I highly recommend you to download it. Now it's not necessary to use Visual Studio Code throughout this course. If you wish to use something else like Atom or Sublime, it's totally up to you, but I would definitely recommend you to download Visual Studio Code because it is one of the best text editors I've come across. So go to this link I've given in the resources section and download the .zip or the .exe file for Windows, the .deb file or .rpm file for Linux, and on Mac the .pkg file or the .dmg file. And the installation is pretty straightforward for Visual Studio Code, and I don't think you will run into any problems with the installation of Visual Studio Code. After the installation is done, you should be able to see something like this in your applications. Yeah, so this is your Visual Studio Code, and if you don't get a desktop application like that, you could also go to your terminal and type code, and it should work. So as I said earlier, it is not necessary to download Visual Studio Code, but I would definitely recommend you doing it. In the next video we'll be talking about Postman and its installation. So see you in the next video.